Hello, good day everyone. My name is Marjorie Sambales and I am a fourth year student at Marikina Polytechnic College, enrolled in the Food Service Management program. Today, we are delighted to have Miss Jacqueline Fernandez on this interview. I want to ask you a question regarding to your work, ma'am. Is it okay?
Yes po.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And what is your name?
My name is Jacqueline G. Fernandez.
How old are you?
21 years old.
Where do you work, ma'am?
I am working at Bacdo Sumulong branch at Lumangking.
What is your nature of your work or position?
My position in there was I am service crew.
How long you've been working in that position?
Kasi nag-start ako doon ng July, then hanggang ngayon nag-work pa rin ako sa McDo. So, 6 months siya. 6 months na ako nag-work sa McDo.
Ano yung mga product na siniserve nyo dun sa company na yun?
Siniserve namin dun sa McDo, mga product na siniserve namin sa McDo is French fries, burger, chicken, spaghetti, then meron kaming secret menu.
And how do you do your job in order to produce a high quality product or service?
Sa McDo kasi may mga rules kami. Kunwari, bago ka pumasok, kaya bago ka mag-duty, kailangan may personal hygiene ka muna, like yung buhok mo kailangan nakapusod, kailangan may net, may hairnet, tapos yung kailangan may proper etiquette, like yung nails mo kailangan malinis, tapos dapat naka-black shoes, then yung uniform mo dapat hindi siya gusot. Kailangan presentable siya sa mga customer. Siyempre, para maganda naman tingnan. Maganda kasi dinadala mo yung company.
Are you satisfied with your current job?
So, for now, satisfied naman ako kasi working student ako. So, yun lang yung work na capable at saka suited sa akin. Kasi graveyard ako doon sa McDo. Then, may pasok ako kinaumagahan. So, okay naman. Satisfied naman ako.
Do you like to stay in that company for how long?
Ngayon, oo. Kasi nga, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, working student ako. So, yun lang yung work na suited para sa aming mga student. So, kung bibigyan man, kung iisipin man, kung ilang taon na ako, siguro hanggang sa nag-aaral ako, doon pa rin ako magtatrabaho.
That would be all, ma'am. Thank you for your time to answer all my questions. Hello, good. Hello, good. Hi, ma'am.